Ever wondered which pan is perfect for your favorite recipes? Today, I'm breaking down the best pans for every cooking style so you can cook like a pro. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm exploring how to pick the right pan for every recipe, from searing steaks to making delicate sauces. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding different pan types. A frying pan, also known as a skillet, is great for searing, sautéing, and frying. A sauté pan has straight sides, making it ideal for sauces and deep frying. A saucepan is perfect for soups, boiling, and reducing sauces. A Dutch oven is best for braising, slow cooking, and stews. A wok is designed for high-heat stir-frying and deep frying. And a grill pan creates perfect grill marks and enhances smoky flavors. Step 2. Choosing the best material. Cast iron has incredible heat retention, perfect for searing and oven baking. Stainless steel is durable, versatile, and great for deglazing. Non-stick is ideal for eggs and delicate foods, but avoid high heat. Copper heats up quickly and evenly, great for precise cooking. Carbon steel is similar to cast iron but lighter and more responsive to heat. Aluminum is affordable, lightweight, and great for even heat distribution. Step 3. Matching the right pan to the recipe. For steak and searing, go with cast iron or stainless steel for deep caramelization. For omelets and eggs, non-stick is perfect for effortless flipping and easy cleaning. For pasta and sauces, use stainless steel or a saucepan for controlled simmering. For stir-fry, a wok provides intense heat and quick cooking. For slow-cooked meals, a Dutch oven ensures even heat distribution and braising. For crispy vegetables, roasting pans give you that caramelization and crunch. Now you know how to pick the perfect pan for every recipe. What's your go-to pan in the kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to upgrade your cooking skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and kitchen hacks.